In this session, I will take a look at how to use reference files in order to view individual models in the context of the entire building. So far we've created 3 models, one for each floor of the building. So right now I'm in the upper floor of the building, A floor office 2, and I might want to see this in relation to the other 2 floors that have been created. And I'm simply going to reference them into this model. So I'll go up to my reference dialog, select the Attach tool, and I can select both of the other 2 floors. I'm going to turn on the Save Relative Path and select Open. That opens the Reference Attachment dialog, typically going to be selecting the design model. It's the only model available in the case of these files. We're going to attach them coincident, basically line up the 0,0 origins. We're going to set our nesting to no nesting. We only need to attach the actual file, no other files that might be nested with it. And then there's an important toggle down here which is called Ignore Attachment when Live Nesting. So since we're only attaching these models so that we can view the model we're working on in the context of the other models, we don't want them to actually become part of the nesting tree for the entire building model. By turning this on, Ignore when live nesting, these files will not be nested in with this particular model when I reference it to other files. So I'm going to select OK. So that attached the lobby floor. We can see that down here. And now we're going to do the same with floor office 1. Attach coincident, no nesting, and make sure I've turned on Ignore Attachment when live nesting. I can see those 2 files in my reference dialog. I have the ability to display them on or off, turn them back on here, and also to turn on snapping capability and locate capability on those reference files. So I'm going to go ahead and close my dialog, and now I can see the entire building model even though I'm only working on this upper floor here, office floor 2. So I can work in the context of the entire building. If another teammate was working on one of these other floors, I would simply do a refresh reference and I would be updated on any work that they were doing.